Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back. We back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again today. And today we're gonna be unboxing the DJI Mini 2. Yeah, the 3 is already out, but you know, your boy ain't got that much money. I couldn't go afford that number 3. So we got the DJI Mini 2. This right here is gonna be the Fly More combo for 599 bucks, brand new. Comes with all the good things. And I'll tell you guys exactly why I purchased this item once again, because your boy ain't have 749 bucks just for the DJI Mini 3. Nor did I have 900 bucks to get the DJI Mini 3 with the RC remote control with the screen inside. So we got the Mini S2. Not the Mini S2, I'm sorry. So we got the DJI Mini 2 Fly combo for 599 bucks. But let's go to get straight into this video. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and pause the video, like the video, and comment below right quick and say, I followed the steps. Now I'm just messing with y'all. Let's get right into it. Yo, all right, we back in, you guys. So you already know what we're finna do. Let's go and switch to the view up top. Let's go to get right into this video, you guys. All right, so we got the DJI Mini right here. I did go pick this up from our company here in St. Louis, Schiller's. Only camera store that I really know besides Best Buy. But let's go ahead and get ahead and get that knife out. And then we're gonna go to slice this bad boy open. I don't know where I want to slice it from. So let's just go from the top, I guess. Guess you can never really go wrong at the top. Slicing that open right there. I don't think I did any slices. Okay, there we go. We got a slice right there. So we'll just peel it from the side. ASMR time or no? No? Okay. We go to close the knife, safety first. Take that plastic, put it to the side. And how the heck do we open this box up? I want to say it's from the, yeah, okay, cool. So it is from the top, sometimes they got it from where you lay it like this, then you just pop it open, but no, it's up from the top this time. So let's go ahead and open it up. Woo. Woo. All right, so let me let y'all know this. I did have the DJI Mini SE. I made a video for it and everything, but I deleted the footage because I was very uninterested with the way I unboxed it and the way that I flew the drone. I was very confused and yeah, I went on a whole trip to Miami and I didn't take the freaking drone with me. I took it to a football game recently and I sold it. And then I realized, like, wait a minute, I just sold the drone, but I never had time to play with the drone. So we bought us another one. Anyway, let's go ahead and take this out the box. Golly, y'all see the box is empty, so ain't nothing up in there. DJI Mini 2 Big Boy Edition, the Fly More combo. Comes with the black bag, 3 batteries, the charger case, hella propellers, and of course the drone and the controller itself. So let's go ahead and officially unzip the bag. Let's see. So I think y'all can see the view better than I can. Yeah, there you go. Jesus Christ, a lot of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and start off with the important thing. Put this bag to the side right quick. Inside this black box right here, it does list as accessories. If you guys can possibly see that, I doubt it because I got a lot of light, but up top you probably can see accessories. So let's go ahead and take that out and let's see what accessories they're going to give us this time. So inside of here we do have the charging cable. It looks like it's a USB. Okay, so we have USB-C ports and then also a standard USB cable. I'm pretty sure the standard USB cable goes right inside of the remote control, perhaps. That's how they had it on the SE. And then also inside of here, we have another cable. This right here is gonna be a USB, I'm gonna say this is the male port to the USB-C port. So let's put those to the side and then pull this thing out. Jesus Christ. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and open this up also. And then I think, okay, cool. So inside of here, this is where our extra batteries are at. And this is quite cool. They got 2 batteries in here already. Now, I was hoping I was gonna have a total of 4 batteries. I'm like, okay, cool. They're gonna give me 3 batteries in here, then plus 1 that came with the drone. But nah, bruh. Nah, you get 2 right here, bruh, and then you get 1 more elsewhere. And then we have an official DJI. Oh heck no, we would not be using this most likely. This is, how many watts is this? About, what's the wattage on here? 9 watts or something like that. I don't even know how many. This thing don't have a wattage on here that I can read. I must be blind or dumb. But we're gonna use our Apple charger for, you know, they got that 20-watt charger, quick speed, since it's USB-C power, so that's all cool. But inside this box, there's nothing more. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and close it up, because we will be keeping all these accessories and boxes and stuff for background use. Inside the bag, some more, we got the official, yeah, this is a remote control. I'm like, what the hell is this? So this right here is gonna be the remote control. Let me go ahead and stop being crazy and take out the damn box. Like, CJ, take it out the box. I'm gonna take it out the bag. Get out your bag. Ooh. Dang, this feels good, yo. This is the official controller that you do get with the DJI Mini 2. And I think that this comes with the 3 also. But if it comes with the 3, it's probably a little bit upgraded, perhaps. I'm not for sure. This is my first time with this. So that's the controller right there. And then, damn, whew, we got the drone itself. The Mini 2 drone. It looks exactly like the SE, but I think this has something that's a tad bit different, perhaps, but it may not. I could be wrong. The only thing that's different is the damn name on it, right? So there go the drone right here. So pretty typical, you know. It comes with this little case right here. And the only reason why, well, not the case, it comes with the propeller strap. And what this is basically, when you buy the standard drones, you don't get none of this stuff at all. You get your controller and you get the drone. So you won't get this fancy thing. This right here keeps the propellers intact. That way you don't, you know, lose it, because you know, you see how this is right here. It's all over the dang on place. So instead you put it up enough and everything is secure, like, you know, your baby mama's weave should be. That's how that should be. But yeah, I think that's everything in the bag perhaps that we need. That's important. I lied. We got another pouch up here we can unzip. Oh, all this stuff is gonna stay in there. These are the propellers. We got, oh, we need the joysticks, I think. Nope, no we don't. No, we don't. We don't need this. So we got 6 extra propellers in here. We got a screwdriver also. And then we have extra joystick thumbs. We don't need those joystick thumbs because we have 2 at the very bottom of the controller that comes in there. So that's a cool storage feature right there. So let's go ahead and zip this bag up and oh, one last thing, forgot. Documentation, the most important thing in the world. I'm not gonna open this up because I like the blackness of it. I'm gonna put this to the side. That sounded so damn wrong. That sounded so wrong. But we gonna put this to the side right quick, okay? Put that back in the bag. Same with the accessories kit. And we gonna let's go ahead and talk about the dang on drone, man. What's up with the DJI Mini 2? And why did your boy actually get the drone? Was it because you was really cheap? Or either was it because you liked it better than the 3? That's the real question. So, to be quite frankly, yes, your boy is cheap. Yes, I did not have an additional $200 to go get the Mini 3. Then also on top of that, I'm an impatient person. The Mini 3 wasn't going to get to me until August the 3rd, I think, or the 10th, per Best Buy here. So I was like, okay, you have the DJI Mini 2, you have the Fly More combo. Why not go ahead and get that up there? You know, this is $599. Yes, I do not get all the features that the 3 has, but this is a better deal for me. I mean, the controller is generic. You know, this is what you get for $450. But if you pay the extra bucks, you get the strap to keep the propellers together. Then you also get 2 additional batteries plus a charging hub for it. And yeah, that's it. I was going to show y'all something. Oh, damn, the bag. You get the bag also. Because in the regular one, you know, I don't think it's a bag in there. I could be wrong, but I don't think it's a bag in there at all. If I'm wrong, my bad. By my SE, it came in a box like this. And that's all I had was 2 controllers. I had the drone and the controller and the battery. And the dang on controller wasn't even this big. It was actually smaller than this. So that's why I pretty much was like, okay, cool. Because I could have waited till I got paid, you know, to go get the 3. But I'm like, hey, why not? We got the Fly Mode combo pack. The combo pack. I'm talking about something different. And I got a million things running through my brain. But yeah, we got that, man. So why not? Why not? So what we're gonna do right now is let's go ahead and we're probably gonna grab our phones right quick and set this app up and stuff. I can't fly it right now because I'm inside of a building and it's about 12 o'clock at night. So what we're gonna do is make a part 2 to the video. This right here is strictly the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. But I guarantee you this, I will have content for you guys on this channel. I would say give me like a day or two after this video releases, and you know, we'll show you guys exactly what's up with this 4K camera right here. The time flight is 31 minutes long per battery usage. Now, on the SE, the same battery pretty much. I mean, you only get like 1 minute extra, but it ain't really that. Come on now. I probably got like 15 minutes of flight, honestly, on the SE. So I'm expecting this right here at least like 20 minutes, perhaps less than that. But since you have 3 batteries, you can land it, pick it up, land it, pick it up, land it, pick it up, you know, this and that. So that's cool. This right here also comes with, let me read the box right quick, because there was something else that's different in here from the SE. Instead of it having enhanced Wi-Fi, it has the OcuSync 2.0. So that allows you to go in a further distance. And I think that we can actually take this up to about 10 kilometers away from us, so that's pretty chill. You can power this up by either getting the they give you the option where you can go buy the extra remote. It's like, I think it's like $399 perhaps, or $300 even. You can go ahead and get the Fly More the Pro remote, and that comes with its own built-in screen. Dang, I done turned the thing on. Or you can go get the whole, you know, the screen by itself. But I'm gonna use my phone. I prefer to use my phone. It's easier like that for me just because it's my phone. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And then on top of that, on the screen itself, you can't pivot it. So like, you know, if you're in the sunlight, you gotta go get your shader. Nope, for my phone, I'll just go ahead and, let's see, how you pull this thing up. Go ahead and pull this up. And the good thing about it, it's big. You ain't even gotta take your phone out the case. You're good. You're all good. I mean, but that's pretty much it about the drone. Like I said, we're gonna talk some more about it. We're gonna talk a lot more about it, man. For real. This is just an unboxing. One last thing. The camera itself, 4K again. It is a 3-axis gimbal. I mean, hey, you got 3 modes on here that I like: panoramic, quick shots, one-tap videos. And you guys will find out all about that in the next video. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned. Make sure you like and comment on my channel. Tell me, CJ, what the hell just happened? Do you guys think that I made the right decision? Yes or no? I don't know. I think I made the right decision. I think I got more than what I would have got from the 3. Even though the 3 got active track. But you guys probably don't know about that one. Anyway, you guys, like I said, thank you so much for watching this video today. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.